y'all step? I don't know where we going. Another step? Right. What time they open?
Look up there. Look behind you.
Oh yes, upstairs. Ooh.
Welcome. So how many are you? 15. No, let's go this way. So our entrance.
Go, baby, go.
I'm counting it.
Okay, but you still gotta walk. 3. Come on, guys. Pay attention. Everybody's here. Thank you. I want to sit on that side. Ooh, they got a menu just for me. Non-alcoholic cocktails. I don't have to ask. Right, here's your kids menu. What you gonna get? Chicken nuggets again? Or fish fingers? Or pasta with red sauce? Oh, sorry.
Okay, this one.
Chicken nuggets.
Hey, look.
Trying to figure out which of these mocktails I want. It's hard to choose. I want something good, but nothing's jumping out to me.
Probably good. Hey, have a piece of your grouper. Have a piece of your grouper face.
You like it with the bread? I mean, with the butter?
Why does that look good?
You can try it if you want. The cheese with the olive, and you gotta get it all together. Maria, I'm gonna try that, and you can try some of this, because this is a whole time.
What'd you get, Steph? Steph, what is this? Oh, lobster and shrimp.
Oh, Lord.
Oh, this is a video. That's it.
You gotta rebuild it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Girl, do you want to get burned? Chill out.
I'm gonna stay right
You gotta wait for it to go off.
But you have to blow it out.
No, it'll go down.
It's making its way down. See, that's why you need to move. It's winding.
I think you need to blow it.
Yay!
Can I have some?
You ain't want to give me no kids. Oh, now
The vlog today's our last day at Aruba.
Last day. Oh, you fine. Like we're literally getting on the plane in a few hours. But we're starting our morning by going to the beach and enjoying the beach one last time. Sucking up the water, the waves, and the sun and the sand. Bye! Some of us are leaving a little bit earlier. But yeah, we have to make the most out of today. Of course, the trip went by so fast, but I'm glad we were here. I don't care how fast it went, I'm glad we were here. Gotta miss it until next time.
Okay, where is ours?
Mm.
There are not that many people here.
Well, it's pretty early in the morning. People come out a little later.
Space to ourselves.
Packing up to go home. I loved our little room. It was literally the best. The bed was so comfortable. We were knocked out over there. And the views, amazing. So at least I get to pack and look at some more beauty before we go.
Oh, bye.
Right, you gonna say goodbye to the house?
No.
Goodbye, dining room. Goodbye, living room. Goodbye, kitchen. And everything else. Turn the TV off and let's go. Bye, pool.
But we already have a pool at home. And we can come to the beach whenever we want.
All right, let's go out. You got everything, Mom?
Our last little time down the strip. Until the next time.
I am mad inside.
Mad and sad? That's some emotions. But
Just be,
grateful.
yeah, I was about to say, just be thankful.
Grateful for a great time, right? Grateful of being able to come.
I'm mad and sad because I'm mad that we couldn't stay here, and I'm sad that we had to leave.
Okay, but also we're grateful we got to come, right? You gotta have that
Not
emotion.
feeling
in
that at
there.
the moment.
No, definitely not. Really.
Grateful, thankful, blessed.
That is ready to go. It's loaded. It's rolling. It's rolling. Yeah, it's going fast.
We're ready to stop.
That's so weird. It's 5 or
So what are we going to do? We could both have water.
We're grabbing
How are
lunch. Thank you.
Hey,
They got fried chicken sandwich, chicken Caesar wrap, chicken quesadilla. Ooh!
is a smoothie?
This.
Ooh. Let me try. Which one's mine?
Thank you so much.
Okay, so I guess this one.
Good.
Tastes like a chocolate fudge smoothie.
Mm-hmm. No.
Hey, one more sip. I just about to take one more sip.
Can't get crazy. It's ice cream and chocolate. You need to have room for some type of food.
The vanilla ice cream looks like quesadilla sauce. Okay, why do you get to have a sip?
Yeah. A lot of people like it, but I would say between the BLT and the Caesar, I would say the BLT is more popular.
That one's smaller
Because
than the
it's
one we
crispy
saw
chicken
yesterday.
instead of grilled. You
Uh-oh.
like that, the BLT?
Oh, I need deep fries. Deep fries are just plain. I like these. Hello guys, today we saw that a dog or a puppy passed away named Tabitha. Where's Tabitha? Tabitha.
Yeah, they had a nice memorial set for her. So we just finished up lunch, and I walked down to Pizza Bob's because when we were here the other night, Raya fell in love with their mozzarella sticks. So I had to get my girl some mozzarella sticks. As you can see, it's raining outside, so that kind of changed the plans for, change the plans for the rest of the day. I know Viv wanted to go kart riding. I'm not sure if you could go kart in the rain. Probably not. Probably a little on the dangerous side. So I don't think it's any more go karting, but we are gonna stop and get some souvenirs.
Hey, why can't I get go? Have my money pop?
Ooh, water.
Smells like the beach.
Wait, isn't it where we came with her?
Got your money, girl.
Smells like the beach.
Do see you. We love you. Thank you.
Now I have a bag.
Yeah, that's cute.
Yeah, let's show everybody. Where's it from?
That lady right here.
No tiene descierre. Aquí.
So you gotta tell her for one of these.
Where's it?
$8. Yeah.
Ah, aquí están, ¿ves? Ahí están, ¿ves?
¿Qué talla quiere?
Mami, coge el color, mira. Large.
¿Qué color?
No sé.
That one's longer than
Take a change, Raya.
Thank you.
Thank you.
More money.
I hold this way, put it in.
Déjame pasar. Si estás parada aquí.
Este,
Carolina. Ah, para ella. ¿Tú quieres para ti? No, ¿verdad?
Need help?
El large.
Can I pay too?
Come here. Let's get out the store.
El large.
Did you say a top? Oh, the one that says 45.
I'm gonna get this from my dad. Doing a good job, big girl. You got this, girl. You a little traveler, a little traveling baby.
Hey, I'm not a baby. Did you call me that when I was a baby?
My baby?
No,
You always gonna be my baby.
no, traveler baby.
Yeah, because you were traveling in too.
That was my first time.
Exactly.
And it was my first time actually.
Oh, your first time before you were even 1 year old. I got
I'm glad.
me too. We making it through, girl. We making it through.
This smells like
Smells like oatmeal. Yeah, it does a little bit.
Take your tablet out.
You good?
So I can turn it now.
No. I got it.
Thank you.
You gotta go around now. Mine got power walk to get around these people.
I don't know, but we're 8.
Which,
Yours is lighter.
Mom, I had it. Hold these, please.
Thank you. Okay, all right, get your bag, baby. You got it?
Que wait on this.
What?
I'm bursting like a balloon.
You bursting like a balloon. What? No, you're not. You're full of energy.
No, I'm bursting like a balloon.
That's why you should have drank more water lunch.
Huh?
You should have drank more water so you'd be hydrated.
I drank water last night.
Okay, we good?
Go girl, go girl, getting it up on the escalator. Let's see you get it off smooth. Good job. We'll get water in a second. A little bit longer. Almost there.
What's our gate?
We made it. We survived. When the enemy
I'm not celebrating
came.
too because, girl.
We made it, Viv.
All right, did y'all get me water?
I need water. Feel my neck.
Mm.
It's warm.
Wait, no,
You want your chips? Huh? but we're not gonna be there long.
Wow.
We're just getting on another plane there. Remember how we had to wait for our next plane to get on it? That's what we're doing. But yeah, it's always cool to go somewhere different. Oh, you ready, right? You already got your blanket out? I need to get like you. I need to get my blanket out too. You ready, girl?
Very observant. She saw what her mom did. She took it to heart.
I didn't even put my seatbelt on yet.
I already did.
I know. I told you you were traveling, baby. Look at this. About to land in Florida. Look.
We're in Florida?
Mm-hmm.
I've never been to Florida. That is not safe.
What you doing?
That is not what I did.
Be like,
No, I wasn't.
huh? Uh-huh. Way back. They was in the way back. That's the girl with the pink is the girl from Baddies. And the other girl is her girlfriend.
I was like, oh, you saw somebody you knew?
Yeah, because I said hey to her. Because we had walked past them at the airport. I was like, hey, Ivory. She was like, hi. But I was quickly reminded that we're back in the States, by the way, that bathroom.
How she say it?
It's not super bad, but
Say it again. How she say it?
yeah, it's not like the Aruba bathroom. Then I had to remember that I could put the tissue in the toilet now instead of the trash can.
Did you hear Sariah? What'd you say to her? Tell Auntie what you said to her. You ain't even listening. Oh, listen to her.
I said,
In her little leg.
Do it again.
Somebody's ready to go, guys.
Hold on. Calm down. Calm down. Calm
Right,
down.
you got this now?
Yes.
All right, let's go. Come on.
Thank you. I was knocked out a few times when I was watching a Michael Jackson movie.
Oh, have you watched that movie, The Housekeepers? Housemaid.
I don't know.
We always eat.
You had chicken and rice. Was it good? What'd you have?
Good. And then they had an ortho parmesan. It was kind of.
Oh, I don't really like orzo.
You know, I like ortho. Oh, look.
Mm-mm. What do you have?
This thing is ours.
No. It's good. No, it's good. Ooh, that's cute. We're here. You had a good nap? Ma, tell us about your first class experience.
It was beautiful, wonderful, amazing, exciting. Everything in that.
You were comfortable?
I was very comfortable. It was comfortable enough to catch a nap.